Vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom.
So we have been avoiding the sun all day long because we got severely sunburnt on the islands yesterday. But now that the sun is setting, we're going to go for a drive. We did this drive a couple days ago and it's absolutely beautiful. We just forgot to bring a camera with us. So we're going to do it one more time and see what we can find.
Let the wind into your soul and start to breathe. Together we'll be free. It's not just you and me.
When you choose to take the road, sisters sing.
It's about $1 per liter and you just buy it in Coca-Cola bottles at the side of the road. And that's about it.
Together we'll
It is quite the effort every time we stop, getting back on this and getting organized, getting situated and fitting just right and safely.
Drive, there are some pretty amazing views, so we decided to stop for a little bit.
Alright, so that was an awesome drive through some palm tree forest, but we're going to stop and grab some dinner and then head back.
Dinner time!
So we had a great time on our scooter ride. We got to go exploring through some other little villages and see some beautiful scenery with some amazing huge palm trees, and got to see a little bit of the water, and it was just absolutely gorgeous.
So we got some chicken breast, 2 orders of chicken breast, and Bradey and noodles are coming. Getting a picture taken. Muppets Babies is a universal language, I guess. So this worked out great because the kids are over there playing and we're having a nice quiet dinner to ourselves, which we have not gotten yet this trip, so it worked out well. So it's hilarious how polite the stray dogs are. He's just tapping me with his nose, politely tapping me with his nose, asking for food. Say goodbye. Bye.
I know. Maybe we can come back another day, okay?
So we had a long drive home and I keep seeing lightning off in the distance and I'm a little worried it's gonna rain, but hopefully we make it back before it starts.
Maybe we'll drink water here.
We made it.
Oh.
That was a long drive.
Long way.
In the dark. But we made it.
We made it.
Yay.
There's a lizard on the floor in Alexa and Chloe's room. And I picked up the backpack and it skirted through through. And I don't know where it went. I think it went under the bed.
You trying to scare him away, Chloe?
No. Yeah!
You trying to scare him away?
Yeah!
Where'd he go?
Yeah!
I don't see him.
He's over there somewhere. He's in there.
How big is he?
He's like this big.
Teeny tiny.
Yeah, he's little, but it still doesn't feel good when you see him scooting across the floor.
Okay.